What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing a Acuity POCO low profile shift knob that we just got. Today I got my little brother with me who's going to help me record the whole thing, so let's get it! Alright, so I already opened the box for you guys, but here we go. This is what Acuity packaged everything with. Got a nice Acuity jet tag, air freshener, Type R sticker, the brand sticker in general. Very nice, very nice. Peep the drip, peep the drip. And POCO low profile shift knob itself. Small Acuity sticker, okay.
Another sticker, let's go.
Here's the actual knob itself. POCO 10x15.
Clean black shift knob.
Satin black. Oh, that would have been messed up.
That would have been bad.
Right here. So basically all you do is, it's a built-in shift collar, and it just snaps just like that. Magnetic.
Snap on.
Snap off. Snap off. Snap. But look at that satisfying noise as it just snaps. Bam! Ooh! Alright, let's get to the install. Alright guys, so for the tools you need to do this is interior trim removal kit. I got mine from Acuity. Oh, it was only like 10 bucks, $16 after tax and everything. You just probably need this one piece, a screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so basically what you need to do is take these two plastic pieces that's connected to the console. You just want to slide it underneath, go all around it. It should just pop right out, just like that. Like that. Left side. Now for the right, same thing. Just like that. So now I'm gonna grab the screwdriver, and there should be 3 screws. One here, one here, one here. And on the other side, same thing. One right here, one right here, and one right here. So 6 screws total. Two and 3. 4, 5, and for the last one, and 6. So now at this part, just unscrew your shift knob. I have an aftermarket one. My girl got me this for my birthday. I have no idea what brand it is or anything, but just like that. And what you want to do is pull the shift boot down. And it should just snap like that. And then get your adjustable wrench, and what you want to do is twist this. And just take it off. If you have a stock OEM knob, you probably won't have this piece. So just take this thread nut off, or whatever you will call it. Set it aside. So now from here, you just want to lift up gently, but you know me, I don't do stuff gently. Like that. Oh, there we go. Right, so you just kind of want to be careful, because you're gonna have one connection here, another here. So you're gonna have 2 over here. Like that. So now that you got this apart, you want to go ahead and take off the shift boot collar. Yeah, I use a hair tie, don't judge. I didn't have zip ties at the time.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep. Thankfully, Acuity already helped your boy out with some zip ties already. So now what you want to do is basically set it up from the inside out. Alright, so now that you got your zip tie and your shift collar all matched up, what you want to do is basically cut the excess piece off. There we go.
There we go.
So after you got your shift boot collar on, what you want to do is just put everything back, vice versa. So you want to plug your sensors back in. Screws. Now after, the last two trim pieces.
Nice and simple.
Yep. And now for the most satisfying part, after you screw it down, it's just really low. And just like that. And that's it. So basically, it tells you everything you need to know on the box. It's just much lower than stock or aftermarket knobs. And this is all the vehicles it can fit. And so yeah, let's test drive this now. Alright, so from what I could tell, it definitely feels good in the hand. And it feels much smaller in the hand too than my other knob. So this aftermarket knob right here feels heavier than the POCO knob, but for some reason the POCO knob feels really nice though. Like it just shifts into gear. I don't know if it's like a placebo effect or what, but it feels really good though. Like more satisfying than that knob. And this knob is weighted more. Yeah, the throws feels good. Like this shift knob, I mean the price might be a little up there for just a knob, but I mean it has a built-in boot collar and everything. But it feels really good though. For the price, I personally think it's worth it. The amount of R&D that goes into everything to make a product just like this. Goodbye, goodbye. Very nice, very nice. Maybe the next upgrade eventually might be the whole short shifter assembly kit. Shout out to Acuity, you know what I mean? Hook your boy up. I'm just saying. I'm just playing. But yeah, overall, I enjoy the product so far. Everything about it. It looks nice, it looks clean. Alright guys, so we're gonna go on a little highway trip to Mexico, you know what I mean? And we're gonna do some slight highway pulls. Let's get it, boys, let's get it. Oh, can't forget about the sport mode right here. Boop.
Alright, see? You got downshift beside it?
Nah.
It's pretty clean. They got the wheels of one.
I know. You can see the backlights too. I ain't stupid though.
Can't full send it.